Ahmedabad Air India thlawhna Boeing 787 chesual na khan thil sang sang aron chho zela thu sang sang aron chho zela chungzinga mak tak mai chu he thlawhna lian tak mai tla khati khopa puak na sa le kang mai chuak na sa khan dam chuak mi pakhat a tlat mai apui khop mai tin kha thlawhna khamini ve ka chuang midang khan video coverin angai that lo thu lo post chu video chu tuna hian viral me kani e police en phot tiang.
We are almost about to taxi, but this AC is not working. Look at everyone, and it's so many people. They are using these magazines. AC is not working at all. And as usual, your TV screens are also not working. Neither this button for calling the cabin crew. Nothing is working. Nothing. Not even the light is working. See, this is what you are providing. And as usual, that is why Air India is considered as one of the worst airlines in the world. AC is still not working, and today it is very, very, very hot in Delhi. And it's a Dreamliner 787. See, I'm sweating like hell. And we are here for the last 15 minutes. Nothing happening. Remote isn't working. Nothing is working. I don't know why I booked this flight again.
He video hi Akas Vasta tiin alak aniya Air India Boeing 787 Dreamliner Delhi atanga Ahmedabad pan he thlawhna che sual ma dar kar ni vela he video hi alak ni in soyani a Asia thoklowa tin lekha buchiana tur light te a thoklowa tin aman ro thil reng reng engma kha a thoklowani entertainment system te po engma thoklowani chu aron tilanga a thin rim thu le Delhi a kholum rap thlak laya an thana tlak e na sat em laya AC zong te heng ma electronics thil engma tho lo thu kha aposa tin atopa he airline he thlawhna a book to lo tur thu te po engwanga book nge kani engwanga book nge mo kani le tin a soi zui bokani ti chon he thlawhna a hnu loka England lampan turin London lampan turin a thlo chua do nu atanga rei lo te a che sual zui le ngal ta box ya